Respected chief guest, honorable dignitaries on the dais, respected teachers, dear parents, and my fellow Indians, good morning to one and all. Today, we gather here with immense pride, gratitude, and patriotic fervor to celebrate the 77th Republic Day of our great nation, India. On this historic day, January 26, 1950, our country adopted its constitution and truly became a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic. As the tricolor unfurls and the national anthem echoes in our hearts, we are reminded that Republic Day is not merely a celebration, it is a solemn promise. A promise we made to ourselves as citizens of India to uphold justice, liberty, equality, and fraternity. Unlike Independence Day, which marks our freedom from colonial rule, Republic Day signifies self-rule through law. It was the day when the people of India became the ultimate authority, and the Constitution became the guiding light of our democracy. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, the chief architect of our Constitution, once wisely said, "The Constitution is not a mere lawyer's document, it is a vehicle of life, and its spirit is always the spirit of the age." Our Constitution is among the longest and most inclusive in the world, reflecting India's extraordinary diversity of languages, religions, cultures, and traditions. There is a powerful anecdote from the Constituent Assembly debates. When Dr. Rajendra Prasad was asked how such a diverse nation could survive as one republic, he replied with confidence that India's unity lies not in uniformity, but in mutual respect. This belief has carried India through wars, natural disasters, economic challenges, and global transformations, yet our democracy stands firm. In 77 years, India has transformed from a newly independent nation into a global force. From food scarcity to food security, from low literacy to digital education, from limited connectivity to becoming a digital powerhouse. From being a developing nation to a leading voice of the global south. Today, India is known for its scientists, soldiers, doctors, engineers, farmers, entrepreneurs, artists, and athletes who bring glory to the nation. As Swami Vivekananda famously said, "Arise, awake, and stop not till the goal is reached." India has indeed arisen, and continues to rise. On this proud day, we bow our heads in gratitude to our armed forces, who guard our borders day and night. Our freedom fighters, who sacrificed their lives for our liberty. Our farmers, who feed the nation. Our healthcare workers, teachers, and public servants. Their service reminds us that freedom is never free, it is earned and protected every day. As we celebrate Republic Day 2026, we stand at a crucial point in history. India is the world's largest democracy, one of the youngest nations, with over 65% of the population below 35. A leader in technology, space research, renewable energy, and innovation. But with great power comes great responsibility. Mahatma Gandhi once said, "The future depends on what we do in the present." The India of tomorrow depends on what we choose today as citizens, students, professionals, and leaders. Dear young citizens of India, you are not just the future, you are the present strength of the nation. The Constitution gives you not only rights, but also fundamental duties. Be informed. Be compassionate. Be fearless in standing for truth. Be responsible in your actions, online and offline. Remember, patriotism is not only about waving the flag, it is about respecting diversity, protecting democracy, and serving society. India's greatest achievement is not just economic growth or technological advancement, it is unity in diversity. Different languages, religions, customs, and ideas coexist under one constitution, one flag, and one identity, Indian. As Rabindranath Tagore beautifully wrote, where the mind is without fear and the head is held high. Into that heaven of freedom, my Father, let my country awake. As I conclude, let us remember that India is not just a piece of land, it is an idea, a dream, and a responsibility. May we always remain worthy of the sacrifices made for us. May we strengthen our democracy with our actions. May we build an India that is strong, inclusive, and compassionate.